Hello creative friend and welcome to my studio. It's a bit of a chilly day today, so I thought I'd get my sketchbook out, light a candle and have a nice, nourishing, relaxing sketchbook session. Now today I'm going to be painting a loose little rose in my sketchbook. Nothing fancy, nothing polished, just a quiet moment with some paint to reflect. I got a nice cozy warm drink and I definitely recommend you do the same. Now, this is the kind of place I come back to when my brain just feels really full, or I have too many ideas, or I have no ideas at all. Maybe when creating starts to feel a bit heavy. And there's no pressure to make something good, just colour, movement, brush strokes, and letting the page be whatever it wants to be. Now, I started this rose really simply, just with loose shapes, just a few warm pinks, a bit of blue just for the background. Now, when I work in my sketchbook, I try to kind of forget what a rose is supposed to look like. I'm not thinking about petals or details or highlights. I'm just thinking about the basic shapes, the basic colours, and where that colour wants to go next. Now, if you've ever felt yourself kind of stuck at the beginning of a painting, this is such a helpful place to start. Small scale, soft expectations in a place that is private for you, and kind of letting the painting just slowly emerge instead of forcing it. Now, honestly, this is where so many artists kind of get blocked, and it's not because they don't have the skills, but it's because they really care about the outcome and what it looks like too soon. We kind of tell ourselves that every page needs to be a polished painting, or that even midway through a painting it's supposed to look good, and that's not true at all. And confidence doesn't come from perfect paintings. It comes from showing up again and again and learning from our mistakes and letting those mistakes or letting those moments of growth really fuel our next painting. Now, for example, this rose still feels pretty messy, and that's completely okay. I'm just letting some of those shapes kind of stay unclear, allowing the colours to overlap, and not trying to correct things, but just to continue that layering process. And this is where you start to begin to trust yourself, not to panic at any given moment, but to have that deep inner confidence that you have the tools that you need to continue working in your painting. And when you do that regularly, something really powerful happens. Painting starts to feel like play. It feels lighter, it feels easier and more enjoyable, and that's of course what we want. Now, this kind of way of working is really what inspired Supercharge Your Art. I created it for artists who really want to build that confidence through doing these small exercises in the sketchbook, not overthinking and not having so much pressure on a big blank canvas, but just through these small focused sketchbook exercises and paintings that quietly strengthen specific skills whilst also helping you loosen up and enjoy that process again. It's kind of this gentle, consistent, pressure-free painting. And if that's something that you've been really craving, you can learn more about Supercharge Your Art through the links below. I'm running a special offer at the moment on it. It's the perfect time to dive deep into your creativity and have that beautiful moment of rest and playfulness in your sketchbook. Because I know that there's some of you that have sketchbooks that are sitting empty, because I do too. So this is the perfect time to have that little project for yourself. I'll leave the links in the description because the current promotion on it is just for a short time. So I'll pop the link in the description and you can explore it when it feels right for you. And if nothing else, I really hope this video kind of encourages you and reminds you that painting doesn't have to be intense or perfect or big to be valuable. We just need to tap into our creativity to nourish ourselves. So thank you so much for spending this quiet moment painting with me today. If you've got a sketchbook nearby, maybe open it up today and paint something soft, even just in a few colours. And instead of that expectation of making something amazing, let's make the expectation having fun and really enjoying and using the art supplies that you have. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye.